Well, it's a bittersweet time for one of the area's most well-known video stores. As Lisa Sugar reports, it outlasted the bigger stores, but now it too will soon be closing.
Not many businesses have the satisfaction of serving a community for 3 decades, but that is the case with one video store in Freeland. In fact, it's one of the few remaining stores of its kind, and soon it too will close.
This video store was actually Tim's dream. So for me, I felt like I was going to be letting him down, but in reality, I wasn't. His vision was always to outlast Blockbuster. So we made 30 years, and Blockbuster didn't, so we accomplished what he always wanted.
Owner Tammy Martin talking about her decision to close Video Mania in Freeland. The store started by her late husband, Tim Martin, the former mayor of Freeland who lost his battle with cancer. While her decision to close the business was extremely difficult, so was the decision to continue after Tim's death.
For the first week, I didn't even step foot in the store. It was definitely hard. Before Tim got sick, we had talked about closing the store. And, I always kept telling him, no, just, hang in there. What are you in such a hurry for? And then when, we knew things were getting worse, he was like, I should sell it. And I said, we'll be fine. And then after he did pass and I had to come back down here, I sat and thought about it and I thought maybe we should have sold it. But I had my kids, they were my strength, and we decided, nope, we're going to do this and we're going to do everything Tim wanted.
The one thing she and Tim never regretted was the fact that the business was for the community. 30 years of movies and rentals, 30 years worth of teams wearing the Video Mania name.
I know there was probably at least 26 baseball teams, basketball teams, bowling leagues, race cars, youth softball, ladies softball, you name it. If it was out there, Video Mania was included in it.
While the business provided a steady income for the family, even more valuable are the photos and memories that will surely last a lifetime. This is just some of the souvenirs from video conventions and private parties that video store owners like the Martins were privy to.
Tim got to hold the Emmy from the Titanic, which there's a picture over there. The stars that played in it, we got to meet them. We got to talk to them. We got their autographs. Puss in Boots, the animated storybook. We went to a convention the one time, and the artist that does all of the art for the movie was there. He drew us our own personal picture. I mean, it is... it was a really cool experience for us.
So how did this movie rental business in the tiny community of Freeland survive for 30 years?
I personally believe it lasted for 30 years because of Tim. I mean, everybody loved Tim, the personality. There were people that would come in here daily just to talk to him. His father worked here. His father was a great man. He had people that would come in just to sit and talk to him for a little bit. I'm just glad that I was able to continue what Tim wanted, but after 30 years, it's time to move on.
And move on is what she now plans to do, with the support of her children Amanda and Brandon. Tammy will still be a part of the community she loves.
My tanning salon, Tim and I opened 17 years ago. I have wonderful tanning customers. I enjoy that business. That's going to stay open, but it's going to be seasonal. It's going to be closed for the winter. And the building is also going to double as an office space for my son's company, which he took over Music Master Entertainment DJ services. So he'll still have an office space that he can meet with his brides and grooms.
The decision to finally close the doors of Video Mania came after another difficult time, the recent loss of Tammy's dad.
The day that I lost him, I think I really sat back and looked at life. And I was spending 60, 70 hours a week working. And when, you lose two people that are so close to you, you realize that life is too short.
And while a company has offered to buy the contents of her store, she has decided to first offer the thousands of movies and video games to her dedicated customers who helped keep Videomania open for the past 3 decades.
The community's been so wonderful to Videomania that I would rather see them get the movies that they're looking for. In 30 years, we accumulated a lot of movies. I still have VHS movies. I have some of the original VHS horror movies that you can't get no more. You know, there's people that want them. So I'd rather give that benefit to my customers who supported us for all these years than give them to a business that I don't even know who they are.
Tammy said rentals will still be available through September 1st, and after that, she will then have a blowout sale on the merchandise and
I also have all those teams that we sponsored. Come in, let me know what team it was, what year it was. I probably have the trophy on my roof, so if you want it, you're more than welcome to have it. It's just a matter of waiting till I find it.
on September 15th, her birthday, Tammy Martin will close the doors here at Videomania for the final time. She will also close a chapter on what has been a gift to this community for the past 30 years. Reporting from Freeland for FYI, I'm Lisa Sugart.
Thanks, Lisa, and best of luck to Tammy Martin on her future endeavors. Well, it is the weekend, and